Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing like a review video on the Alien palette by Jeffree Cosmetics. I actually wasn't going to get this palette at first, but then as soon as I saw the inside and the packaging and everything, I was like, I need you. So yeah, this is what she looks like if you've not seen her before. I have used this palette before and I actually really like it. I'll post like a little photo up here of the look that I did. It's on my Instagram as well, so you can always go and check that out. I'll leave everything linked down below. So yeah, if you're living in the UK, this is £46 on Beauty Bay. It's still available on there. I can't remember if he said that this was a limited edition product or not. Don't actually remember, but if it is, I'll let you know. You can see the inside. I love the packaging. I think the packaging is so cute. So yeah, you do get a lot of weird shades in here. Like when I first saw this, I was thinking, not too sure about this palette, like not too sure about it, but I actually really like it now. Like the colour scheme in here is so different, but I love it. So let's go ahead and jump straight on to the tutorial version. One camera, take the shade Flying Saucer. I'm just going to take that on a Morphe Y18 brush, which kind of looks like this. I'm going to pop that into like my crease. There we go. It is taking a while to build up. I don't know why, maybe because I just reset it recently, like did my concealer a little bit, I don't know, but it worked fine on the third eye. To be honest, I did find this shade on this eye. I found that like it was a little bit patchy, like in the corner, and yeah, I don't know why. As I said in the intro, I have used this palette before, and I do like it genuinely. But I don't know. I find that obviously the first time that I used it, I used the purple, and it was patchy. So I don't really know why. I didn't think that the purple would be patchy. I thought it would be okay because his Blood Sugar palette has a purple in it and it's a pretty good purple, and I don't find that patchy. So yeah, and I've used that quite a few times. So yeah, but this one it does take, I feel like this palette does need a little bit extra kind of like work into it, but it's not bad at all, to be honest with you. So yeah, as you can see, the colour payoff is a lot better now, and I've really built it up. I kind of like take it out a little bit more with like the excess. I'll kind of like blend it out a little bit. So yeah, I'm actually in love with this shade, guys. Like, it's so pretty. Okay, since I'm happy with that shade now, I'm going to take the shade Abduction on my Morphe M514 brush. I'm just going to blend around the edges of this, just very gently. I love this shade. I just love it. It's like that lime green. It's just stunning. Now I'm going to take a bit of that Flying Sauce shade again, just to kind of blend it into the Abduction shade. There we go. This eye looks fine. See, like it's not, I don't know why it's not going patchy on this eye. Maybe it's just my eye, because like I know that this eye does struggle with partaking pigment. Like, and this eye is usually fine, and like honestly, it doesn't look patchy. So maybe it's just my eye. I don't actually know, but I know when I used the purple shade it was patchy, like on both eyes, so they're so pretty. I'm gonna take the black hole shade, which is of course the black in the palette, and I'm taking this on the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, and this is the JH37. I'm just picking up like a tiny amount, like barely anything. I'm just popping that on the outer corner. See, that it looks good, and this side just looks, this kind of looks poopy. Oh well, fine. I actually really liked using the black. Like, I never use blacks, so yeah. I've taken that too high. Oh well. Just gonna blend that just lightly through the crease. Not taking it too high, just keeping it pretty low. Sorry about that, guys. My camera decided to cut out. I didn't realise, but yeah, I've literally just done the cut crease. It's like a full cut crease. God, I'm now going to take the shade Probe, which is, oh, stunning. You'll see it when you get on my eyelids. Like, do you see that, guys? Do you see that? It's so pretty. I'm kind of putting this until about the middle, maybe, yeah. And I'm just gonna bring that way round. Such a stunning shade. Oh, I feel like he did the right thing by putting this shade in the palette, because I just feel like it works so well with so many of the shades, and it's stunning as well. So I'm gonna put this all into the cut crease. Put it all in. A 42 brush for this, and then on the other side I'm gonna flip the brush over, and I'm gonna take the shade Alien, which is a bright green. Oh, stunning. I wasn't gonna do this. I was literally just gonna use Probe all over the lid. Then I like something bright, like brighter in the inner portion of my eye. Like, that's just, I think that it really helps to open your eye up a little bit more. So yeah. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of the Probe shade and kind of like just blend the two together. I need to put a bit more Alien on this side actually. More Alien. I blend it in. There we go. I like using the same brush if I'm using two shimmers, just because I feel like it helps to blend the two shimmers in, like, so it's like more of like a seamless blend. I prefer that. So yeah, the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH39 one, which is like a nice small pencil brush. I'm gonna take the shade Pluto. Yeah. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner, just to really help brighten up the inner corner even more. Like I said, I love a bright inner corner. Like, okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, pop some lashes on, do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back to do a lower lash line, and then to also give you guys my final thoughts on the palette and whether I think it is worth the money. I've done the rest of my face off camera. I'll link everything down below what I'm wearing. So yeah. I'm going to take the shade Flying Saucer, and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. I'm using the same brush that I used before. And then I'm going to take the shade Abduction and put that mainly on the inner part. Makeup Revolution mascara and apply that to my bottom lashes. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think of it. I actually really like it. Like, I really like it. I didn't think I was going to like it this much. But I felt like on this eye, it didn't blend as well. Like, it's quite patchy. But apart from that, like, this eye was fine. So I don't know, maybe I think that's just my eye. Overall, I actually really like this palette. Like, I really like it. Like I said before though, like, the purple shade probably really is like quite patchy, and even when I swatched it, of course, like, I will post swatches, I'll leave the swatches here, but the purple was quite patchy when I first used it. Other than that, I actually really like this palette though. Is it worth £46? That all depends on whether you like these shades or not. Personally, I really like the shades in here, and I think they complement each other quite well, so I really did like this palette. Do I think it's worth £46? I actually do, to be honest with you. I actually do think it's worth that if you like these shades. If this is up your alley, then I think you should go get it, because I think it's a great palette. But yeah, and everything. So yeah, the packaging is adorable as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and leave a little comment down below. Do you have this palette? Do you want to get this palette? Is it on your to buy list? Are you not too sure about it? Just leave me a little comment down below, and I shall see you in my next video, guys.